Just a 40-minute train ride from Paris, Champagne makes the perfect day trip, especially if you need a break from city hustle. Before the drinking starts, take a 12-minute stroll from the train station to Reims Cathedral, which is mostly known as the location for Kings of France's coronation. Construction started in the 13th century as a beautiful example of high Gothic architecture and royalty. Inside, you'll see gorgeous stained glass from the 13th to the 20th century that not only act as bringing additional light, but to invigorate an even greater impact as visual sermons of stories from the Bible. We begin our Champagne tour at the Pommery domain inside its 20th century estate. Catered for the beginner Champagne drinkers, the Pommery tour is theatrical with a walk through elongated staircases and dimly lit cellars. Although this champagne house began in 1858 as a wool trading business, it grew to be one of the region's biggest champagne brands. In 1874, it became the first house to commercialize a brut champagne. Our favorite was a little spot nestled on the outskirts of Reims, in the small village of Ville-d'Aumonge. While Florent Bergeronneau-Marion isn't like the other major champagne houses, it offers picturesque views, generous hospitality, and people passionate about champagne. The Bergeronneau family has an award-winning champagne and has tended to this vineyard since 2007. They do every step of the champagne process themselves, from the cultivation of the vine to grape pressing, vinification, and finally champagnization. This is an off-the-beaten-path discovery, a total hidden gem winery that you can't miss. If you're ready for a fancy meal, stop by Le Parc Restaurant Les Crayères, where French cuisine is delivered in sheer elegance. The setting is made for royals, in the style of the quintessential French art de vivre. The refined menu is composed by Michelin chef Philippe Mille, who emphasizes produce grown by local farmers while featuring the champagne terroir. From delicate appetizers to savory meat dish, each plate blends contrasting ingredients into one harmonious melody inside a 17-acre chateau built in 1902. Founded in 1734, Taittinger is an independent family brand still run by Pierre-Emmanuel Taittinger and his children. Their main goal is to advocate for the region and its historical importance and influence through their champagne. This gives the champagne a different, a more intimate feel than some of the bigger brand name champagnes out there, even though they may be one of the biggest houses and estates.